The Betta SE solar-powered automatic robotic pool surface skimmer cleaner is an impressive addition to any pool maintenance routine. Designed with efficiency and convenience in mind, this device takes the hassle out of keeping your pool's surface clean. With its solar-powered operation and 30-hour continuous cleaning battery, it ensures that debris such as leaves, bugs, and dust are removed without requiring manual effort. One of the standout features of this robotic skimmer is its twin salt chlorine-tolerant motors. These motors have been re-engineered to provide improved durability and performance, making the Betta SE suitable for pools with different water conditions. Unlike traditional pool skimmers, which require constant supervision and effort, this device operates independently, adjusting to the water's movement and skimming the surface effectively. The solar panel is highly efficient, capturing sunlight throughout the day to keep the device running smoothly. Even on cloudy days, the battery allows for extended operation, ensuring continuous cleaning. The self-navigating system avoids obstacles and covers a wide area, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. The sleek blue design not only looks great in any pool setting but also enhances visibility while in operation. For those looking to cut down on manual pool cleaning time, this robotic skimmer is a great investment. It is easy to use, requires minimal upkeep, and delivers outstanding results. Whether you have an in-ground or above-ground pool, the Betta SE is designed to keep your water surface crystal clear with minimal effort. If you are interested in upgrading your pool maintenance routine with the Betta SE, check out the link in the description below to take advantage of the 36% off sale before it's gone.